Hi everyone. Today we are going to use Google Voice Search to practice our speaking. Now everyone has used Google to search for information, but we can use search by voice to practice our speaking, especially our pronunciation. So let me show you today how we can do that. So first click Search by Voice and then ask for information. What's the weather like in Vancouver?
It's 9 degrees and cloudy in Vancouver.
As you can see, I get the same results as I would if I had typed in the question I wanted to ask in the search box. What I can also see is whether my pronunciation is accurate enough for Google to understand what I said, so I can read what Google heard in the search box. So let's see how we can do our homework in a slightly different way by using Google Voice Search. Let's take a look at the Student Self-Study Guide for Target Activity 2. Now, let's read number 1. Go to www.healthlinkbc.ca. In the search bar, type knocked out tooth first aid. Now, instead of typing this in, I am going to use Google Voice Search. So first I'm going to click Search by Voice. Search healthlinkbc.ca for knocked out tooth first aid. As you can see, I get the results back just as I would get if I had typed in the information into the search bar. And here I can click knocked out tooth first aid. But I can also check my pronunciation. As you can see, Google thought I said 8 instead of aid. So let's try that one more time. Search healthlinkbc.ca for knocked out tooth first aid. There we go. So now it corrected it from 8 to aid. So we can also learn about certain pronunciation problems that we might have, and we might be able to practice saying what we need to say a few times and improve our accuracy. Let's go back to the self-study guide. Let's take a look at practicing skills. So let's read number 1. Practice your listening skills. Type Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab into Google. Click on the link. Scroll down to General Listening Quizzes. Now, we are going to use Google Voice Search instead. So first, search by voice. Open Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab and find General Listening Quizzes. So I can see that in the search bar, Google heard me correctly and there aren't any mistakes there. Now I can just click on Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab and practice my listening. Now let's go back to the student self-study guide. Let's take a look at number 3. Script a telephone call to a doctor's office. Use the phrases you read above in your script. Include in your dialogue one phrase to confirm understanding. Let's say, for example, that I couldn't find any phrases in the website, from the website, or I don't remember any of the phrases, and I want to use Google Voice Search to find more phrases. So first I'm going to click on search by voice. What are some phrases I can use to confirm what someone said? So you can see that when I check the search bar, Google understood what I said, and I can click on the first website, the first result, and learn about how to confirm information. Now, after all this homework, I probably want to get a cup of coffee or something sweet to eat. So let's ask Google. Is there a coffee shop near VCC?
Here are the listings for coffee shop near VCC within 10 kilometers.
Okay, so I can use Google Voice Search to find information about restaurants or any other location as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video on how to use Google Voice Search to improve your speaking.